Learn English through short stories. Toto the Hen. Rahish had a pet. She was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was a very smart hen. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound. Cock, cock, cock. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. One night, Rahish was sleeping in the bed. He heard the special sound of Toto. Cock, cock, cock. Rahish came out from the house. Toto ran to Rahish and picked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. "Oh my God, the coop is on fire!" he shouted. The coop was in a mess. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. Then Rahish went and picked up Toto. "You smart hen, my dear friend, you have saved my farm," said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, "Cook, cook, cook." Please like and subscribe my channel. Visit my website komalahira.com.